Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane,
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's nail design is a buffalo plaid nail design, and the items that you're seeing now are the items I'm using to complete this nail design. A few of these items were actually presented to me for review by Beauty Big Bang, so thank you guys for sending these over to me. So of course I decided to use them in a very simple and hopefully pretty quick nail design. So if you have any questions about anything you see in the video, I will try to link all of the Beauty Big Bang items below in the description box along with my coupon code. So first thing I did was I went ahead and applied the red nail polish to all of my nails, and now what I'm doing is applying the liquid latex to each of my nails I'm going to stamp on. So now I'm taking the black stamping polish and applying it to this plaid nail design on the 05 stamping plate from Beauty Big Bang, and I'm just taking the clear stamper and I'm going to actually apply this to each and every one of my nails, and then I will actually clean up off camera. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply the matte top coat to all of my nails with the exception of my thumb and my ring fingernail because I had already applied the top coat. I'm going to swipe a little line of glue and take the wax rhinestone picker and apply the nail studs to my thumb and ring finger. So once again, here's the completed nail design. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Blessings to you and your family, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!